Hey, it's Dom and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, so for today's video, it's gonna be a mommy-daughter date kasi PA day ni Ate Andrea, but hindi na namin sinama si Adelaide. Naiwan siya kay Daddy kasi minsan pag sinama namin siya sa mall, maikli ang patience niya, lalo na pag nasa bus kami. So, hi Ate! Yan. So, it's around 9:30 a.m. Maaga kami kasi para makabalik kami bago mag-work si Daddy Alvin. Andito na kami sa STC, guys. Hi, Ate.
Hi.
Bukas na pala yung Winners dito. It's been so long since nung last punta namin dito ni Ate Andrea. So, ngayon ko lang nalaman na bukas na yung Winners dito. So, titingnan namin kung bukas na rin yung potato corner dito. Chinek namin guys kung nasa work si Vera. Nag-work siya sa Suzy Shear. So, off pala siya ngayon. We live in the same building, but hindi ko pa siya nakausap ulit. Naka-text ko lang siya ng isang araw. So, sabi nung ka-work niya, she's home right now. So, text ko na lang siya. Ayan, so check muna namin ni Andrea itong mumuso. Gusto niya i-check. You wanna check that out? Okay, go. Ayan yung parang ano, no? This one is like yung parang labubu. Ano?
Nami.
Parang labubu siya.
Yeah, but it's not.
Oh, okay. Go. Okay. Kakain muna si Ate Andrea. I'm not sure if kakain ako, but we'll see. It's Mac Sushi. So we're gonna check what sushi they have. Right, Ate? Okay, check it out. Hi. Wala pa. They're still making. You wanna come back later? Okay. Come back later. Wala pang sushi guys kasi currently it's 10 a.m. Kakabukas lang nila. So pupunta muna kami ni Ate Andrea sa
Miniso?
Magmiminiso kami kasi ito yung malapit dito sa Mac Sushi. Ayan lang yung Miniso guys.
So near.
So, kaka-open lang nila kasi it's kaka 10 a.m. lang. So, go Ate. Someone is excited. Ano yan? Oh, yung One Piece. Ito yung gusto ni Tito Dennis na anime. Favorite niya to. Kasi nung nagla-live selling ako ng anime. Nung nagla-live selling ako ng One Piece, ito yung characters. He likes the anime so much. Yeah, it's a notebook. But only if you like the character. Okay, so let's check out. One Piece. Ewan ko ba't uso siya right now, Yan yung anime, guys. Yung asawa ni Rain, si Dennis, favorite niya yan. I remember. Kasi, bumibili siya sa live selling ko noon. So, wala masyadong tao ngayon. Kasi kaka-open lang. Kami ni Ate Andrea ata ang unang customer. Ano yan? Oh, yung pen ng One Piece. So, Rain, Dennis, punta kayo Miniso. Daming One Piece right now. Kahit water bottle, mga lalagyan, notebook, kung ano-ano pa. Meron ding pillow. Anong tawag dito, Ate?
Blind box.
Blind box. Para siyang yung labubu. Anong tawag dyan? I mean, di ba parang labubu? Anong tawag dyan? Yung tinawag mo kanina dun sa kabila. Ano yun? Ani? Ana? Something like that? So, this is not labubu, right?
Yeah, it's something.
Pero para siyang labubu. Ang cute niya, guys. Actually, mas cute pa nga yung mata niya sa labubu, eh. Kasi di ba yung labubu minsan parang nakakatakot na cute. It's so good to be in Miniso, but Miniso, why like this? My favorite color, you only have few items on this aisle.
Favorite color.
Pink has a lot, blue, purple. But why yellow? Why? Why is that? Ang daming magagandang items ngayon sa Miniso, guys. So, sa mga friends ko or makakanood nito na taga Scarborough, mostly yung mga Sanrio utensils na wala na before, it's back. So, ayan yung mga utensils, guys. So, may mga mura lang. And then, mayroon yung mga a little bit pricey. Pero ang cute nitong mga tag for $4.99, guys. Para siyang set na siya. And then, yeah. If you're a Sanrio fan, check it out. Miniso. Miniso, dagdagan nyo yung kulay yellow. Si Pom Pom Purin. Or some yellow stuff na cute. Diba? Hi, ate. Are you done? Yan. Okay, yes. Nakashop na si ate. Hi, guys. Tapos na kami sa Miniso. So, show your bag, ate. Shopping na naman si Ate Andrea. So, wala pa masyadong sushi dun sa bilihan na gusto ni Andrea sa Max Sushi. So, andito muna kami sa Walmart kasi bibilan namin ng snacks si Adelaide kasi ubos na yung snacks niya. FaceTime with Adelaide. Say hi, Adelaide. Say hello. Adelaide.
Hello daw.
Say hello to my channel. Hi, hello. Say hello. Ako, malungkot. Ano ilalagay niya sa tenga? Akala niya ano. Okay, Adelaide, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye. So, ate will play this claw machine. We're here at Pokin. Tama ba yung pronouns ko? Hi, ate. Good luck. I think I have to press the button. Yan. No. 2. You have to read carefully, ate. Imumove mo muna. Go, ate. Request ni ate to eh. Gusto talaga niya mag-claw machine. It's okay. You have more coin. Try again. Okay, ate will try her luck on this one. 2 coins. It's all 2.
This is one.
Oh, 1 coin. Go. 2 coins, 1 credit. Ano ba? Hindi nagbabasa. Go, ate. It's not easy. That's hard. Okay, get another one. Try another one. Ay, ikaw ay. Ate will try her luck again. Go, ate. Take it easy, my love.
Hit list on songs.
Yo.
Yes, finally, ate got something. Show me, ate. Wow, it's so cute. Ate will try this one. Hi, ate.
2 more coins.
2 more coins. Oh, it's okay. You have 1 more. Okay, this is Ate's last credit. So, we'll see. If not, we're gonna try it next time, okay?
Oh, my basket.
So, which one? Next time, we're gonna try again, okay? So, good luck, Andrea. That's her last credit. So, oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, she gave you. He's so nice. Yeah, you try that. You wanna try? Okay. You wanna try this one more? Or what?
Switch together.
That's yellow. You're looking for yellow. Right. Okay, Ate will try to get the yellow one.
Or any color.
Or any color. Good luck, Ate. It's okay. I think that one is really hard.
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna try her last credit. That's okay. Hi guys, we're here at the food court. Hi Ate. Show your food. What's your food? Show it. So ito yung food ni Ate Andrea. Of course, her favorite, salmon sushi. Are you happy? And then, sa akin naman is bourbon grill. Doon ako bumili ng food ko. So, that's my food. Ang dami. So, hindi ko sure kung mauubos ko siya. But, I'm hungry. Okay, kain muna kami. Guys, whenever nasa STC kami, tapos kakain kami dito sa food court, bourbon grill ang favorite ko kasi I really like the bourbon chicken. Ikaw sushi, right? Tell them what's your favorite sushi.
Salmon.
Salmon. Happy PA Day, Ate. PA Day nila sa school. Yeah, you can do that. Go.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get.
Cheers. Round 2 for Ate. So, we're about to go home. But, Ate decided to eat here na lang instead of taking it home. So, again, salmon sushi.
Wait. Always take a...
Hey guys, so nakauwi na kami ni Ate Andrea. Kasi papasok na rin si Daddy Alvin. So, kakauwi lang namin mga 15 minutes ago. So, currently it's 1:30. So, dumating kami around mga 1:15. And 2 o'clock yung work ni Daddy Alvin. So, nakaligo na si Daddy Alvin kasi natulog naman si Adelaide. Nag-nap siya. So, now, papakita ko sa inyo yung pinamili namin sa Miniso. Kasi tuwing mag-STC kami, yun ang pinaka-main reason dahil yun ang favorite store ni Ate Andrea. This is the first one na binili niya. It's Lego. So, it's this one. So, bubuuin niya to. And then, i-display niya. Ito yung pinabili niyang cute na scissors. Cinnamon roll. And then, we got the cinnamon roll na notebooks. And, nagpabili rin siya ng bun na face mask. Miffy ang tatak niya ata. Miffy. And then, actually, hindi lahat to sa kanya. Sinama ko na yung akin dyan. So, parehas kaming may ganito. My Melody na mini basket. Grocery, parang grocery basket. And then, yeah, of course, yellow for me. Pom-pom. Purine na yellow. Also got this Kuromi notebook. Bibigay namin kay Coco because Coco has been really good to her kasi siya yung kasama ni Andrea maglakad pa uwi always from school. So, hope nagustuhan ni Coco to. And then, nagpabili siya ng correction. Anong tawag dito? Corrector ba tawag dito? Correction tape na Cinnamoroll. And then, Nivea na ano to? Scrub and moisture na parang lip balm. Nagpabili rin siya ng cute na pen. And then, she's so happy na nahanap na to kasi isa na lang, mechanical pencil. She loves mechanical pencil and then pen. And then, yung pasalubong namin kay kay Adelaide, siya namili. And then, nagpunta rin pala kami sa claw machine kung nakita niyo sa video. Nanalo siya ng isa. Better than nothing, sabi ko. And it's so cute. So, next time, babalik kami doon kasi gustong-gusto ni Ate Andrea doon. And then, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung pasalubong namin kay Adelaide from Walmart. That, Adelaide, her favorite toddler snack, yung toddler mom na strawberry. And then, binilang ko siya na itong spoon and fork na pang toddler pink. Kasi, maganda yung quality nito. And then, we also got her this one. Yung kanyang favorite na puffs, strawberry. Mahilig siya sa strawberry or banana. So, ayun lang guys. So, yan yung mga pasalubong namin. And now, we're gonna try to relax first and chill. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Bye!